Bathroom me and Justin's doing. The rest of the apartment's pretty much done. Rug is stayed, just got clean. New appliances, new countertop, fridge. Fixed the lights in here. Painted, put new outlets, outlet covers. Caulked everything off. Tried to leave as much of the original wood as possible. Filled in these cracks and seams. Filled in down holes. To this room. I gotta fix this hot water heater yet. Find out if we got a bad leg. Go into the hot water heater. Might be a breaker. It's possibly an element, but I tested these wires. I'm not getting full voltage through one leg, and that's obviously 230 volts, so it runs on 2 legs. Anyway, last thing we got to do really in here. Here's our walls. We did paint the ceiling, just a nice sprayer, edge paint. Not bad for for what they're paying. And then some damage here. I think we did some floor work, some sub floor work. So right now, this is what I'm gonna work on. I'm gonna put this in, the vanity in. Lights done. I'm gonna hang a couple towel racks. And all this was rotted away, so we cut out the bad spots, and put this in. And then you gotta try to match it to this. See that? So what I do is take wall texture, spray it on, like that, spray it on, and then take a sponge and dab the sponge around it. So if it was flat, like if you got the orange peel, you can make orange peel by using a trowel. You just drag the trowel over it once it starts drying. But that's it. Caulk around the bathtub, caulk around everything. I'm a caulker. I caulk everything. I make the walls look like they're all one solid piece. Anyway, that's what we're doing. So this is their job. I got my hair cut yesterday. Kind of. Justin, get her done. Get her done, damn it. Yep. I reckon.